In this video, I'm going to be sharing Valentine marketing ideas that can help you make between $1,000 to $5,000 during Valentine. Whatever figure you want to make during this Valentine, it is totally up to you. Welcome and welcome back to my community. Let's jump right in. So Valentine is called Lovers Day, where people want to treat their partner well, buy them a gift, pamper them, and a lot of money is going to be moving around. Regardless of whatever you sell, you can actually make more money this season. The first thing is your mindset. Your mindset has to be right. No matter the marketing strategies and whatnot, if your mindset is wrong, you will not achieve this feat. I made a video about how to make your first 1 million during Valentine. I will link it down in the comment section below. In that video, I spoke well on mindset. I addressed other things that is not in this video. Number 2, have enough goods in stock. If your goal is to make 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 7 million, do you have goods that is able to supply when the people come in? Not like, oh, I want to make 10 million and the total amount of goods you have is 3 million. If you don't have the money or the capital to stock up goods, or you do not have anywhere you can get the money to stock up goods, you can join a lot of dropshipping groups. There are a lot of big suppliers. Even personally, people come to join my groups during Valentine. They buy in wholesale, they dropship, they get pictures from the group, they repost. When they see clients, we send directly to their clients. So depending on your niche or whatever you want to sell, if it's perfume you want to market, you go and look for perfume vendor and you join their group. If it's clothes, look for clothes vendor. If it's customized item like what I sell, come and join my group. So if you do not have enough goods in stock, we cannot achieve this. Or have plan or supplier or contact that can help you make this possible. Moving on, do not limit yourself. If your goal is making your first 1 million, your first 5 million, your first 7 million, you cannot say you want to sleep on one platform. Like this morning, we made a sale on TikTok. TikTok is not where I used to sell. I just started using TikTok actively in 2024. Spread your net on different platforms. Do not just say you want to die with Instagram. Say, Instagram, me and you together, baby, forever. If you love me today, I got. No, I'm not saying you cannot make a lot of money on Instagram. You can. However, just to help to meet up with your goals on time, it is important to spread out. I would give you a gist. I read something online. A department mate of mine back then when we were in school, he posted a clothes on Instagram. Someone sent her a DM that, oh, I want this, but she did not see that DM. This person some days later went to TikTok, was just moving through TikTok and saw her video again on TikTok. And she was like, this person has not replied me. The person now sent a message on TikTok. She now responded on TikTok and she closed the deal. She made the sale. I'm not saying do not respond to your message on one platform and hope that they will come to another platform. But what I'm saying is the chances are high for you when you have multiple platforms. Personally, I sell on GG, I sell on Instagram, I sell on TikTok, I sell on WhatsApp, I use WhatsApp group, I use WhatsApp status. I have a website. People just go online, search, they stumble on my website and they buy. That's like 6 sales platforms. So don't say, how can I make my first 5 million on Instagram? And you sit on Instagram. Again, I'm not saying people are not making 10 million, 20 million, 50 million on Instagram. But if you see these same people, they are spreading their net everywhere. So spread your net. It's going to help you hit your goals faster. Next is have an advertising budget. There's a general rule. If you want to make 1 million, how much do you need to make 1 million? You need 10 to 30% of that money to make 1 million. If you want to make 5 million, you need 10 to 20% of that budget to make 5 million. And there's also the favor of God. You just make a post and it goes viral. Wire. I've seen it happen to people very well and they make a lot of sales. However, it's okay if you prepare. And when you make enough preparation, when the favor of God now rests upon you, you now have double. You can do double of your targets, So have an advertising budget. It doesn't make any logical sense. If you say, oh, I want to make my first 5 million, and I say, what is your budget? You say, the Lord will supply. If you have money to buy goods, if you have money to buy products, you need to have money to advertise them, to show them to people that will buy these products from you. Okay? Whatever your budget is, take a pen and know how much you need to put into advert in the month of February to be able to meet up with your budget. Okay, I said budget, to be able to meet up with your goal. Moving on, ask yourself, what products can I add to what I presently sell to be able to sell out more during this season? Okay, you sell perfume. Can you add chocolate and just put perfume and chocolate in a box? Valentine product is ready for sale. You sell bespoke or you sell ready to wear. Can you do like a pre-order ready to wear and you say, okay, would help you instead of packing this ready to wear in a nylon, this Valentine season we'll pack in a box for you. Just look at how you can make it work. If there's a need for you to add a new product to push it, feel free to do that. Please hit the like button as it tells the algorithm it is a good video and it can be pushed to other people like you that needs to see this content, and it also serves as a thank you for me for putting out time to put this together for you. Thank you for your help. I really do appreciate that. Moving on, start early. The earlier you start, the better. I'm recording this video on the 9th of January. I should be posting it next week, hopefully. Today, I'm starting my Valentine marketing. I'm making videos. When I'm done with this, I'm going to make videos to shoot for my marketing, make videos to get my audience ready. The Valentine is almost here. Usually, I will start by 2nd of January, but because of my line of business, I realized that 1st of January, people want to buy New Year gifts. So I don't try to divide attention so that people can buy their New Year gifts before I move to Valentine. So normally, if you have watched my previous video, 2nd of January, I'm posting Valentine already, and by next week I'll go get some other things I need to add for us to make content so we can push our ad out. Last week of January, all my adverts must be running. I have adverts that I am already running now that I would use for Valentine, though they are not Valentine specific, but that advert is in a way that it is neutral. When people see it, it can be converted both ways. I know my strategies. I already put that together. Even though I have not been actively marketing Valentine yet, today 9th of January, a couple of people have been to our DM asking, oh, I want this, I'll buy it during Valentine, I'll buy it for Valentine. Do you get what I mean? So there are strategies you should, put in place. Earlier I spoke about how you should have goods in stock, right? If you are trying to meet a sales goal of 5 million, you should have goods worth 5 million. So I want to share a software I use with you. The name is Noja. I'm not recommending them. If you have issues with them, do not come and meet me. I'm only sharing what I use. I'm not being paid for this, right? So that Noja app, when you put all your goods, I put my products together there. I can track inventory from there, and it can also show you somewhere where you can see every goods you have in stock. So you can see that, oh, I have 8 million in stock, I have 10 million, I have 15 million, I have 20 million, or you have 2 million. You can see it and know that, okay, we are ready for our goals. You get what I mean? Have backup plans, have backup suppliers. If you buy from China, don't die there. It's not like there's something to tie you and China people together, right? I learned this in a hard way. If you buy from China, the same thing you sell in China, look for suppliers that bring it in very large quantities in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere you are, if you're in Dubai, if you're in UK, if you buy from another country, in your own country, go into your local market, have the contact of suppliers that have these things. So if there's delay from China, your goods are not coming in when it should come in, you can easily enter into your local market. Yeah, you buy it more expensive, maybe $1 more expensive if you're abroad, or $2, $3, $4, $5, or even if you're in Nigeria, 2,000 naira more expensive. But guess what? You're going to make your money. 2 years ago during Valentine, I did this mistake. I had ordered from China. There's a particular consignment that did not come. It came after Valentine, and people were asking for it, and I lost a lot of money. What I could have done was go into the local market, look for this product, sell it. Yeah, I will buy it more expensive, but I would have sold it to make my money. When the new one comes, then I'll sell it. Common sense. So don't make that mistake. Tell me thank you in the comment section for telling you this, because I learned the hard way. So thank me. Yeah, you're welcome. Also, pray to God. God is the master strategist. He's the one that gives the most amazing strategies in life. Pray to God for direction. Pray to God for marketing strategy. Pray to God for wisdom of the right things to say in your marketing videos. Pray to God for the right people to see you. Pray to God for divine leading. Pray, spend time in prayer. Also have declaration. You can write Bible verses out, like prayers for Valentine. Then you put Bible verses. God said He's going to bless the work of our hands. He's going to establish them. Put your name on it. Put your business there and declare it every morning. This is something I've been doing this year, and it's amazing. I write Bible verses, I declare them, and I take it like when the doctor says one in the morning, one at night. You take it and you declare it with the whole of your heart and the whole of your soul. It's amazing. It's fantastic. It's not about writing that, it's about declaring, right? If you want to make your first 2 million naira, 3 million, 4 million naira, all you have to do is to divide this by 28. But I would not advise you to do 28. Divide it by, let's say, 20 or 15, because Valentine is February 14th. Of course, you make more sales after Valentine, but you are trying to make your bulk of money before Valentine, right? So what I would usually do is have a daily target. What I would usually do is have a daily target. Yeah, I did that last year, and funny enough, last year, first week of February, I was not meeting my daily goals. I was very frustrated because I've done all I could. I was not just meeting them, but God did something for me. God showed me that I'm not a man. You see the 12th, 13th, no, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. the kind of sales I made. I have never made those kind of sales in my business in a day. That is how God can be. So if you are not meeting your daily targets yet, don't beat yourself up. God shows up when he wants to show up, and you cannot beat that. And there was nothing I did differently in these last 3 days or last 4 days. I didn't tweak anything. I didn't do anything. It was just pepper, 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 pepper. So that's why I said prayer is important. Let God butter your bread. You cannot butter this bread by yourself. I wish you all the best. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you got value from this video. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video valuable, the ones you'll be implementing and the ones that stood out for you. If there's anything you like to add, which we can learn from you, please feel free to add them in the comment section. I have a video where I shared how I made my first $1 million on Valentine. A lot of things that in that video are not in this video. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. So just click the watch and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye. And I love you so much.